Alright everyone, here we are with another video with the Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for in returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So here we are with SENS Stock, Muln Automotive Inc., and it hits once again another dip area, right? Every time we hit white with red borders, there tends to be reversals. Now, some are stronger than others and some are weaker, right? As we've had these two be pretty weak in the recent days. Now, it is just forming here into the after hours today's dip area, and we need to break down what 42 Vision is showing. And a lot of people are speculating and hyped up about a possible press release tomorrow, okay? We'll talk more about that, and if you know more about it in this video, comment down below and let us know what you've seen, because the more people are aware of this, the more investors are equipped and prepared. But before we break it all down here, what happened with SENS Stock, I want to share with you guys one of the home run opportunities mentioned over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and getting connected over to our 42 Vision indicators and becoming part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So the stocks I mentioned this morning gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10% plus, but our home run of the day turned out to be our Apple bot. We just released this one this week, and our Apple bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:50 a.m. and from that moment forward, call options went up 100% plus at their highest point of possibility within an hour. And if you guys want to receive this edge and clarity within the charts and know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description once again to the Discord and our 42 Vision indicators and getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS Stock, Muln Automotive Inc., and as I stated earlier in the video, it's in a dip area, and when we hit the white with red borders, we tend to try to bounce off support levels, right? Yesterday we had some key support levels to watch. We broke through them today, but the most important one today was 110, and that's where the stock has bounced off of, okay? Now we need to see proof of concept with this strength moving upwards. So it's going to be very important to watch these levels going into tomorrow, what we're going to break down in today's video. But everyone's excited about tomorrow's possible press release. Right now it's just speculation and hype. We have no confirmations that are actually coming out from an article or any of that sort. But if you have more information on it, again, comment down below, because this is very interesting that it's all happening when the stock is falling near its all-time lows, right, of the recent pullback, which was around $1 to 110. So I am really interested in knowing if this is really happening or not, and how this is going to tie up to the charts and the resistance and support levels we're going to talk about going into tomorrow. Now, if you go over to stocktwits, you could see people here stating, 10 minutes ago, be ready for tomorrow. Jackpot is on the way. $1.50 to $2 tomorrow, right? And then you have 53 new Muln posts, right? Muln posts. And you could just see everyone going ahead and talking about, what's going on with Muln and their press release that's coming soon, okay? This is actually something that the CEO stated. There was no set date, and it states here that the CEO will soon release exciting info about the pilot program. So this is what people are speculating and excited about going into tomorrow. So I would love to see some open dialogue with you guys about this in the video down below. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to our 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and even our Apple bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So SENS Stock has been under a bear indicator since June 27th on the 30-minute chart, and we've hit a dip area 2 times based off the white with red borders. Now, yesterday I tried to reverse, got canceled out, and continue back down into another dip area. No bull indicator, bear indicator still dominating over the chart, and then now it is trying to bring itself back up. So we have some key levels to talk about here in the charts. It's going to be very important. And what am I going to be looking at here with 42 vision going into tomorrow? So the first thing on the 30-minute is I want to see this bear indicator get canceled out by a bull indicator in the process of this possible reversal continuation. Now, if you pull up the 15-minute, you could see a bull indicator just popped up. This is not guaranteeing that it could continue into tomorrow, but it popped up right before the market closed, and it's continuing into the aftermarket hours. So this is a very interesting setup based off the dip area and going into the rip area, plus a bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation on the 15-minute. Now, in the bigger time frames on the 4-hour, we've been going in a consecutive downtrend of red bars, and we've been under a bear indicator since up here at 157. We've been covering this together here on the way up, on the way back down using 42 vision, and here we are for the first time where it's trying to level off, and it's going to be a very big fight for the bulls to actually break out and start a transition back up with red bars with green borders or dark green bars with green borders, right? We need to see that transition and possibly even a bull indicator popping up on the upward trend, canceling out this previous bear indicator. Now, on the 1 day, you could see that things have continued to transition. It was under a bull indicator, and I stated if we broke below 117 and a red bar and a bear indicator popped up, we could see further weakness. This is where the charts are telling us one thing, the hype and speculation and news is showing us another thing. And even if we do bounce up higher, if this bear indicator does not get canceled out in the bigger picture, and this is where I want to open up the dialogue, this could either turn out to be a real situation of bearishness and we may go back down even after the pop, or this is a fake out and all of this is a setup before the next bull run. But if tomorrow's press release does happen, right, and it's a short-lived momentum, this bear indicator on the 1 day is telling us a bigger story because it canceled out this bull indicator. And on the 4-hour, we've been under a bear indicator as well. Continuations of red bars back to back. We're almost back down to where the first bull indicator popped up back in June 16th. So this is all very interesting, the timing of everything, and this is why I would love for you guys to share your insights down below. And if you believe this press release is going to actually turn this back around and cancel out these bear indicators, or is it going to be a short-lived momentum and on the 1 day in the bigger picture, things are going to be much more bearish in the long term, because this bear indicator popping up doesn't pop up every single day, and it canceled out the previous bull indicator that was holding true within all of this volatility and no longer is dominating over the chart. So super important to keep that in mind. Now, the first level is 110 as the support. Below that is $1. I've talked about that in previous videos, and every single support level we've talked about, as this has gone down, it continues to get broken through and go even lower. Our bear indicator has been holding true since the 27th, and we just found support at 110. So the bulls are trying, right? So 110 and $1 are the support levels to the downside. Now to the upside, we want to see this break above yesterday's high in the aftermarket hours of 124, and above that would be up here at 135. Those are the key levels I'm going to be watching. And on 42 vision, I'm going to be watching if a bull indicator pops up in the possible reversal that we break through these resistance levels and cancels out that bear indicator way up here at around 147. So those are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and the downside. And I'm going to be watching 42 vision also on the 4-hour, the 15-minute as well, and the 1 day on how things start to transition, and if a bull indicator can pop up on the 30-minute, and if the 15-minute bull indicator can continue to hold true into tomorrow. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.